Welcome to the top best. The best digital hydrometer is probably one of the most exciting brewing gadgets to hit the market in recent years. Today, we're diving deep into this essential tool, exploring how it revolutionizes the brewing process. We'll uncover its benefits, from precise gravity readings to enhanced efficiency, and discuss why it's a game changer for both novice and experienced brewers alike. Get ready to elevate your brewing game. Number 5. Brix Refractometer with ATC for Homebrew Kit. This refractometer is designed for accurately testing the sugar content and specific gravity of liquids. It's perfect for home brewing and winemaking, ensuring you get the perfect readings every time. Whether you're into home brewing, winemaking, or even educational purposes, this tool is ideal. It's also great for agricultural and gardening applications, providing versatile use. Get consistently accurate readings with a range of 0 to 32% Brix and 1.000 to 1.120 specific gravity. It provides reliable results, helping you monitor your process effectively. The built-in automatic temperature compensation makes it incredibly easy to get fast and accurate results. It eliminates the need for manual temperature adjustments, saving you time and effort. Made with chromium, this refractometer is light yet durable, and easy to carry around. It's designed for ease of use, making it a great tool for both beginners and experienced users. What we like. This refractometer offers dual scales for both specific gravity and Brix, making it versatile for various brewing needs. It's also incredibly easy to use and made of durable chromium. If you are a homebrewer looking for a simple, reliable tool for measuring sugar content and specific gravity, this is a great choice. It's perfect for getting accurate readings quickly. What people say. Clear instructions, easy to use, works well for the value. It's accurate, easy to read, and perfect for measuring original gravity on brew day. Works good. Easy to use. Number 4. Weewooday Alcohol Hydrometer 0, 200 proof and Tralle. This Weewooday hydrometer is designed for accurately measuring high-proof alcohol content. It's perfect for home distilling and ensuring the quality of your spirits. It helps you to calculate the percentage of alcohol. With a 0, 200 proof scale, this hydrometer is suitable for a variety of high-alcohol beverages. Whether you're making moonshine or aging whiskey, it can help you. The gradient ribbon on the product can help you understand the brewing progress. Made from glass, rosin, wax, and iron sand, this hydrometer is built for accuracy and durability. This set is designed for alcohol, not for liquors that have high concentrations of sugar or other ingredients. The package includes 3 hydrometers, providing you with enough tools for your brewing needs. This quantity is more convenient for your daily use, and bring you convenience. This hydrometer set makes a great gift for any homebrew enthusiast. Show your friends and family you care by providing them with accurate and quality brewing tools. What we like. This set is specifically designed for measuring high-proof alcohol, with a range up to 200 proof. The package includes 3 hydrometers, ensuring you have backups or can measure different batches simultaneously. If you're into distilling moonshine or other high-alcohol spirits, this set provides the accuracy and convenience you need. It's a thoughtful gift for any home distilling enthusiast. What people say. Easy to read numbers. I'm very happy. They seem not to be extremely fragile like I have read on some other brands. The scale is easy to read. I gave one of them a test right away on some whiskey I have here. It was right on the money, 90 proof. Number 3. EasyDens Digital Hydrometer by Anton, Paar. Introducing the EasyDens Digital Hydrometer. It's Bluetooth enabled and provides precise measurements for alcohol, sugar, and extract. This device makes it easy to monitor your beverages. Get quick measurements in under 5 seconds. It provides precise readings for your favorite beverages. This smart device ensures accuracy and efficiency. Ideal for home brewing, distilling, and more. It measures specific gravity, degree Plato, degree Brix, and alcohol content. You can easily track the progress of your fermentation. It reads in various units like degree kmw, degree Isha, and percent %VV. This covers all essential metrics for wine production and distilling. It gives you all the information you need. Ensures accurate readings regardless of temperature. The device automatically adjusts for temperature variations. This feature guarantees reliable results every time. Includes the Meister app suite for iOS and Android. You can track fermentation progress and monitor specific gravity. It helps you know the optimal bottling time. Enables wireless data transfer to your smartphone or tablet. You can monitor and record measurements in real time. It's convenient and easy to use. What we like. The EasyDens is a digital hydrometer that provides quick measurements in under 5 seconds. It connects via Bluetooth to a mobile app, allowing you to track fermentation progress and monitor specific gravity. If you want a smart, connected brewing experience with detailed data tracking, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who love to monitor every detail of their brew. What people say. It is a precision gravity density testing unit which can accurately read gravity with a tiny 2 ml sample at any point in the brewing process. The EasyDens lets you get an accurate reading and double-check your temperatures, all with a sample size of a few milliliter. App saves gravity reading and you can come back to it later when tracking batches. Number 2. BREWER'S Elite Hydrometer, Deluxe Triple Scale Set. This hydrometer undergoes rigorous testing in the laboratory to ensure the highest standards of quality and accuracy. It is designed to provide reliable results for your brewing needs, giving you confidence in every batch. Get access to over 75 brewing video courses and tutorials with our exclusive partnership. You'll receive a complimentary 3-month digital all-access pass to online content, bringing you the latest insights and training videos. The easy-to-read color scale and specially designed font make readings clear and hassle-free. You'll know exactly when your brew is ready without any guesswork, making the process simple and efficient. This tool effortlessly measures specific gravity, potential alcohol, and Brix. Whether you're crafting beer, wine, cider, or mead, it simplifies the process. However, it is not suitable for high alcohol content spirits. Keep your hydrometer secure and organized with the included protective storage case and a stylish microfiber cleaning cloth. These accessories ensure the longevity and care of your brewing tool. What we like. This hydrometer features a triple scale for measuring specific gravity, potential alcohol, and Brix. It also comes with access to 75+ brewing video courses. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive brewing tool with educational resources, this is an excellent option. It simplifies the brewing process with clear, hassle-free readings. What people say. Easy to use and calibrate. The digital display is easy to read. It's very accurate. Number 1. Alcohol Refractometer 0 to 80% VV. This refractometer is designed for accurately measuring the alcohol volume percent in spirits. It's perfect for testing brandy, whiskey, and vodka. It provides reliable results quickly and easily. This portable instrument is a great tool for bartenders, alcohol retailers, and food producers. It's designed to provide instant and accurate readings in various professional settings. The scale ranges from 0 to 80% alcohol volume percent, with a division of 1% VV. It's easy to read and provides precise measurements for your needs. Featuring automatic temperature compensation, this refractometer ensures accurate readings regardless of temperature. This feature makes it even easier to get fast and reliable results. With just 2 to 3 drops of the solution, you can get an accurate reading in seconds. This makes it a convenient and efficient tool for anyone needing to measure alcohol content. What we like. This refractometer is designed for measuring spirit alcohol volume percent, perfect for brandy, whiskey, and vodka. It features automatic temperature compensation for accurate results. If you're a bartender or alcohol retailer needing a quick and easy way to measure alcohol content, this is the ideal tool. It provides instant readings with just a few drops. What people say. Rapid analysis. Unlike hydrometers, which require time-consuming temperature adjustments, refractometers offer immediate results. This refractometer typically measures ABVs between 0% and 80%, encompassing most distilled spirits like vodka, whiskey, and brandy. Many refractometers boast automatic temperature compensation, ATC, ensuring accurate readings regardless of ambient temperature fluctuations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.